If you think muffins are only for weekends, think again. Today I'm showing you how to whip up this soft, fluffy, melt in your mouth blueberry and almond muffins in no time. And yes, they taste just as dreamy as they look. We're talking juicy, sweet, and tangy bursts of blueberries paired with the gentle crunch of almonds. It's a combination match made by the gods. The kind of muffins that make your kitchen smell like a cozy bakery and have your neighbors accidentally showing up at your door. The best part, no fancy tools, no complicated steps, just a few pantry staples that you may already have. Adding a tablespoon of cornstarch to your blueberries will help them stay afloat and not sink to the bottom of your batter. I totally believe in balancing out flavors. Using lemon juice, lemon zest, and yogurt gives your muffins such an awesome taste as it balances out the sweetness and adds extra fluff and taste best described by your taste buds. Using quality butter elevates everything, so I always advise using good brands that you enjoy. One thing I love about muffins is how broad they are. You can literally make a muffin out of every fruit and almost anything. What are your favorite kinds of muffins, and would you be trying out this recipe? If you do, don't fail to tell us your experience, and if you love easy, delicious recipes, hit the subscribe button and join our kitchen family because there's so much more yummy coming your way.